my honeys. How's the day going? Mine has gone fine. Haven't been posting that much or watching videos or even replying to comments. I've been trying to give my eyes a rest so I don't get vertigo again. So it's after 8 o'clock p.m. and I'm fixing the rest of these taco season chicken wings. Well, I'm not going to eat all of this. Okay, and my Ninja, let me lower this. My Ninja Foodi grill has been preheating, so now it just beep to let me know to add the food. So I'm not going to add any oil to these wings. Like I said, they had the taco seasoning mix. And 1, 2, 3, 4. What's left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what I'm fixing. Y'all can't see nothing I did. Let me wash my hand. Okay. This is what I use to season the chicken wings. Just a pack of taco seasoning mix. Of course, I added in a little red pepper and some black pepper. I think that's it. Let me show you. I have to take this camera off so y'all can see. And that's how the chicken looks in there. Okay, I'm going to close it. I'm not spraying any oil on here because naked wings make their own oil. The skin. Now, if you're cooking naked chicken breasts or something like that, naked thighs, you better spray that because the skin is what makes the oil. So that since they've been marinating, they're going to cook faster. So I set it for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I will be back. So I'll have to cook these tomorrow so they don't spoil. You can't keep chicken wings out too long. So I'll be back, y'all. I decided to throw a handful of fries in here. These frozen fries. And so right now I have 10 more minutes. So they will cook. And I'm not putting oil on them either. Okay, I had to take my wings out. They were getting too dark. But they still good. That's their seasoning. I got the fries still in here. Got a little ketchup in here for the fries. Because the wings are so good and seasoned, they don't need nothing but a good letting alone. Let me stop this now. Take my fries out. I don't really care about fries that much. Walter's the fry eater and potato eater. I think I need a little salt on these fries though. Once again, I'm using the Ninja Foodi extra large grill. I had it on the air crisp setting. Where is my salt? Oh, here it is. Somebody been messing with it. Just gonna use a little on the fries. Maybe some pepper. I like pepper. Okay. You get a good thumbnail, and I'm going to give it a taste test for y'all. Okay, here are my taco seasoned chicken wings and a handful of fries. I cooked them in my Ninja Foodi extra large grill on the air crisp setting, 400 degrees, and this cooked for about 18 minutes because they were marinated, and marinated food cooks quicker. I'm gonna eat. That's the top side of the wings. I didn't flip the wings over at all. That's the bottom of the wing. And they're crispy. Even though there's no breading, you can fix crispy naked wings. Y'all hear that crisp? I haven't even bitten it yet. Y'all hear that? I'm trying to show y'all. Crispy on the outside, still juicy on the inside. Last time I fixed these, I tossed them in some sauce. I like it like this better, without the sauce. Don't need no hot sauce, no nothing. It's good seasoned wings, not too salty. Let's see what these fries are doing. They're crispy, soft on the inside. They cook for about 8 minutes. I'm about to get my eat on. It's 8:36. I haven't had anything to eat yet, which ain't good. So, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye. Bon appetit.